mathematics. Question number 1. If a to the power b equal b to the power a, prove that a by b to the power a by b equal a to the power a by b minus 1. Also prove that b equal to when a equal twice b. Solution. This question is related to the law of index. Solution is this. Given that a to the power b equal b to the power a, this is given, or a equal b to the power a by b. This b goes down. This power a equal b to the power a by b, or b equal a to the power a by b. Here, this is equation number say 1. A equal b to the power a by b. Now, LHS, left hand side, this one a by b to the power a by b. What does it mean? It means a to the power a by b, b to the power a by b, a to the power a by b, and b to the power a by b. This is a law of index. Using the law of index, a to the power a by b same. What is the value of b to the power a by b? B to the power a by b equal 1 from equation 1. This is 1 equal to a to the power a by b minus 1, because there is plus 1. First one is proved. Left hand side equal right hand side proved. Left hand side equal right hand side proved. Again, b equal 2 when a equal twice b. If a equal twice b, put the value of a equal twice b. Putting a equal twice b in equation number 1. This is equation number 1. A equal b to the power a by b. Put a equal twice b. We get, what do we get? A equal twice b equal, or it is better to write the whole equation. First of all, a equal b to the power a by b, or a equal twice b, a equal twice b by b. B cancel, or twice b equal b square. We can cut b because b is not 0, or 2 equal b. Why? Because b is not 0. B is 0 there. So you can cut b and b. 2 equal b. Therefore, b equal 2. Proved. Again, given is a by b equal b by a. This is given. Or a equal, this power b goes b to the power a by b. You power it divide कर दी. A equal b to the power a by b. Left hand side, a by b to the power a by b equal a to the power a by b upon b to the power a by b equal a to the power a by b same. B to the power a by b equal b to the power a by b equal a from equation number 1. A to the power 1 तल 1 हुन्छ. A to the power a by b upon a to the power 1. A to the power a by b plus 1 becomes minus 1. Right hand side proved. Putting a equal twice b, given that a equal twice b in equation number 1, we get a equal b to the power a by b, a equal twice b equal b A equal twice B upon B. B cancel. Twice B equal B square. Since B is not 0, cot B and B. B square मध्ये एवढा काढणे. 2 equal B. Because B is not 0. If B is 0, A is also 0, and this whole expression becomes meaningless. B equal 2 when A equal twice B. Question number 2. If x square minus 2 equal 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 2 to the power minus 2 by 3, prove that x equal 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power minus 1 by 3. 2 twice x cube minus 6x equal 5. Solution. First of all, write down the given condition. The solution is this: x square minus 2 equal 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 2 to the power minus 2 by 3, or x square equal, keep it 2 to the power 2 by 3, this minus 2 becomes plus 2 to the power minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 becomes plus 2 on the right side, or there is square, means keep it in the perfect square. Yes, right? Perfect square. There is x square. To remove the square, x square, this one can be written as 2 to the power 1 by 3 whole square plus 2a 2 by 1 by 3, 2 to the power 1 by, minus 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power minus 1 by 3 whole square. 2 to the power 1 by 3 whole square, 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 2 to the power 1 by 3 into 2 to the power minus 1 by 3, means 2 to the power by adding 0. 2 to the power 0 means 1. 1 into 2, 2. It's like 1 also, 1 to the 2 also. This can be written as 2 to the power minus 1 by 3 whole square, or x square equal a square plus twice ab plus b square. A plus b whole square. This is in the perfect square form. A square plus twice ab plus b square. A plus b whole square, where a is 2 to the power 1 by 3 and b equal 2 to the power minus 1 by 3. Square cancel. Therefore, x equal 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power minus 1 by 3 proved. First expression proved. Second expression, this one, twice x cube minus 6x equal 5. Left hand side, twice x cube minus 6x equal, right, equal, or equal on this side, twice, what is the value of x? Is 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power minus 1 by 3 whole cube minus 6x. This, don't put the value of x. X को value यहाँ नराख्ने, अगाडि मात्र राख्ने. Put the value of x equal x from equation number this. Now, a plus b whole cube. Formula of a plus b whole cube. In lower classes you learned a plus b whole cube as a cube plus thrice a square b plus thrice a b square plus b cube. But that formula is a little bit difficult and long. Put another formula. A plus b whole cube is, see, a cube plus b cube plus thrice a b into a plus b whole bracket up to this 2 minus 6x. What is the formula? A plus b whole cube formula. a cube plus b cube plus thrice ab into a plus b. I will put the formula like this. What is the formula? Because a plus b whole cube equal a cube plus b cube plus thrice ab into a plus b. Now to multiply 2 to the power 1 by 3 into 3 plus 2 to the power minus 1 by 3 into 3 plus thrice. This one is by adding 2 to the power 0, and this one is put the value of x equal, this one is x from this equation, whole bracket minus 6x equal, cancel 2 to the power minus 1 plus 3 into 2 to the power 0 is 1x minus 6x. 2 plus this one is 1 by 2 plus thrice x minus 6x. Now remove the bracket. 2 to the 4 plus 2 and 2 cancel 1. 2 3 the 6 minus 6x. 6x cancel. 4 plus 1 5 RHS proved. Again given x square minus 2 equal given is minus 2 becomes plus 2 on the right side. A square plus b square. It's like twice ab लिखनी. A is 2 to the power 1 by 3. B is 2 to the power minus 1 by 3. X square. A plus b whole square. This is A. This is suppose B. Square cancel. The value of x equal is. Left hand side. Twice x cube minus 6x equal 5. To prove. Left hand side. Twice x cube minus 6x. 2 is 2. X. Put the value of x whole cube 6x. Here don't put the value of x. 2. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus thrice a b into a plus b minus 6x. Formula a plus b whole cube equal a cube plus b cube plus thrice ab into a plus b. Now use the law of index. 3 cancel. 3. 2 to the power 0. This is x. Put the value of x. इसको सट्टा x लिखनी है यहाँ पर. 2 to the power minus 1 plus 3. 2 to the power 0 is 1 x minus 6x. 2 to the power minus 1 is 1 by 2. Law of index. Now 2 to the 4. 2 by 2 1. 2 3 the 6 minus 6. 6 cancel. 6x cancel. 4 plus 1 5. RHS proved. Here use the law of index and use this formula a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus thrice ab into a plus b. Don't use a cube plus thrice a square b plus thrice ab square plus b cube. It has another formula like a plus b whole cube equal a cube plus thrice a square b plus thrice ab square plus b cube. This formula is also correct, but in this case this one is better. The first one is easier and much better. This one is a little bit difficult to put the value. So use the first. A cube plus b cube plus thrice ab into a plus b. If there is a minus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus thrice ab into a minus b. यहाँ माइनस यहाँ माइनस यहाँ पर माइनस. Question number 3. Find HCF and LCM of मस र लस निकाल. In नेपाली मस र लस निकाल्नुहोस् अथवा निकाल. मस HCF लस LCM. The expressions are x cube plus 1 plus twice x square plus twice x, comma, x cube minus 1 and x4 plus x square plus 1. There are three expressions. Solution. You can write directly. First expression equal x cube plus 1 plus twice x square plus twice x. First and second. First and second, a cube plus b cube. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square plus third and fourth. Twice x common. X plus 1. X cube plus 1. 1 is 1 cube. But if there is 8, you should write 2 cube. If there is 27, write 3 cube. 64, 4 cube. 125, 5 cube. In the cubic form, x plus 1 is common. From both the sides, x plus 1 is common. Remaining is x square minus x plus 1. This is 1. But this is remaining plus twice x. So what is remaining? X plus 1 into x square minus x plus 2x plus x plus 1. This is the first expression. A cube plus b cube, a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. What is the formula? The formula is a cube plus b cube equal a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Here 2x common. Take x plus 1 common. दुवैबाट x plus 1 साझा लिने. Remaining x square minus x plus 1 is 1 plus twice x. Now simplify it. Twice x minus x plus x. Now second expression is x cube minus 1 is x cube minus 1 cube. A cube minus b cube. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. X minus 1 x square plus x plus 1. Third expression is x4 plus x square plus 1. धेरै यसलाई 1 लाई अगाडि x square लाई पछाडि लगेर गरेको पनि देखियो. तर यसो पनि गर्न मिल्छ. जस्तो x square a square 1 is 1 whole square plus there is plus twice ab a square plus twice ab plus b square. complete form मा लाने यसलाई. अब कति बढी भयो? x4 2x square plus 2x square there is x square. के बढी भयो? minus x square बढी भयो. योबाट घटाउँदा 2x square minus x square is x square. पछाडिपट्टि माइनस आउनुपर्छ र पर्फेक्ट स्क्वायर हुनुपर्छ. a square plus twice ab plus b square is a plus b whole square. X square is x whole square. Now a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b, where x square plus 1 is a, x equal b. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. The formula used here is a square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b. Very easy formula. Now simplify it. X square plus, without changing sign, plus x plus 1 x square minus x plus 1. Now HCF. If you take HCF, you can easily find LCM. अर्थात LCM निकाल्नु भन्दा पहिला HCF निकाल्ने. HCF मात्रै सोध्यो भने HCF लेख्ने, LCM ननिकाल्ने. LCM सोध्यो भने HCF निकाल्नु पर्छ. So to find LCM, HCF is necessary, important. What is HCF? See the first expression, x plus 1 x square plus x plus 1. Second, x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. Third expression, x square plus x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. Out of what is HCF? Common to all this, and this. X square plus x plus 1 is HCF. If there is any common outside, bracket भन्दा बाहिर केही छैन, त्यो पनि लिने. LCM equal HCF into remaining factors. HCF सबैबाट HCF लिने, रिमेनिङ भनेको बाँकी रहेको लिने. What is HCF? HCF equal x square plus x plus 1 into RF means remaining factors. From the first expression, x plus 1 is remaining. See, this is remaining. Second expression, x minus 1 is remaining. This is common, this is remaining. Third expression, this is HCF, this is remaining. X square minus x plus 1. This is also correct, but by arranging x plus 1, x minus 1, for right, first of all this, then x square plus x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. This is HCF, this is LCM. Again, listen. Find the highest common factor and lowest common multiplication of the following expressions. तल नेपाली तलका अभिव्यञ्जकहरूको मस र लस निकाल्नुहोस्. The expressions are अभिव्यञ्जकहरू यस प्रकार छन्. x cube plus 1 plus 2x square plus twice x, comma x cube minus 1 and x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. First expression, पहिलो अभिव्यञ्जक x cube plus 1 plus 2x square plus 2x. A cube plus b cube. 1 is 1 cube. If there is 8, write 2 cube. 27, 3 cube. A cube plus b cube is a plus b, a square minus a b plus b square plus 2x common, x plus 1. From these two expressions, take x plus 1 common, remaining x square minus x plus 1 plus 2x equal x plus 1, x square, 2x minus x plus 1. Second expression, x cube minus 1 means 1 is 1 cube. A cube minus b cube, formula a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. What is the formula? Here a cube minus b cube equal a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Here we have applied a cube plus b cube formula, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Already plus b minus a cube minus b cube, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Already minus b plus. Third expression, x4 plus x square plus 1. You have to change this expression as the difference of two complete squares. यो अभिव्यञ्जकलाई दुईटा पूर्ण वर्गहरूको फरकमा छुट्याउने, जस्तो a plus b होल स्क्वायर माइनस c plus d होल स्क्वायरमा छुट्याउने. यसको लागि a स्क्वायर यो 4 छ, 2 to the 4 ट्वाइस, यो 2 फर्मुलाबाट आयो, twice ab plus b square, because a square plus twice ab plus b square is a plus b whole square. There is x square, but there is plus 2x square. अब के गर्ने त, यसबाट यो घटाउँदा यो आउनुपर्छ. By simplification you should get it either by addition or subtraction, but there must be perfect square. यहाँ प्लस आउनु हुँदैन, there must be minus. If there is sometimes a minus b whole square plus twice ab is also correct. Suppose यहाँ चाहिँ 3x square भइदिएको भए यहाँ a minus b whole square plus twice ab हुन्थ्यो.